on page, what page was this all on? Well, 38 is on page 348.
Can you put it down a little
38
bit?
actually goes on to 349, but it might be a rough kid. Okay.
I'll hold it.
This one was, what you were asked to factor is 27x cubed plus 216. There's a couple ways to do this one, but I'll say the one that, based on the pattern I showed you yesterday, this is a cubed plus b cubed. And your a is 3x. Because if I multiply 3x times 3x times 3x, I will get 27x cubed. And your b is, who found out what the cube root of 216 is? 6. Okay? So this equals 3x plus 6 times, what goes here?
X squared.
Well, a squared. Whatever a is, squared goes there. What is a squared if a is 3x?
9 squared.
The thing is, the 3 is part of what's getting squared.
Not x squared.
So this is, yep, Amanda's right, 3x times 3x, which is 9x squared here. Okay, and then it's minus 3x times 6, so that's 18x.
So,
And then it's plus 6 squared, which is 36.
where did you get the 18 from?
Where did I get the 18 from? Okay, the middle term is always a cubed plus b cubed equals a plus b, right? Times a squared minus ab plus b squared. What is a times b?
18.
18x.
So why is it negative?
Because that's the pattern. If it's a cubed plus b cubed, it's a plus b
Oh,
times
okay.
a squared minus ab plus b squared. This is the point where I say, if you don't believe me, just FOIL this out and watch everything disappear but a cubed plus b cubed. Not FOIL, distribute, I should say. Okay, so that's number 38. Any questions on that?
Can you do?
Well, there's one more thing I want to say about this one. Has anyone got a calculator real quick? I want to double check something. Okay? I should be able to do this in my head, but I'm not trusting myself this today.
Rodney does.
What is the first thing I said to check for with one of these?
Numbers.
Numbers. Guys, shh. What are the first thing I said to check for this?
Numbers.
What kind of numbers?
Real number.
What did I say to look for?
Prime.
Not prime numbers. What was the other factoring thing we did yesterday? We did this pattern. We did what else? Looking for a
Greatest common factor.
greatest common factor. Guess what? 216 is divisible by 27. You can take out a 27 and you're left with x cubed plus 8. Is x cubed plus 8 also a sum of two cubes?
Yes.
Yes. So this is 27 times x plus 2 times x squared minus 2x plus 4. Which one's easier?
What do you mean?
None of them.
No,
These are the same answer.
the second one.
Those first ones.
No.
You think the first one's easier?
Yeah.
Wait. I
Then
don't-
note it. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. That you do have to put away
Oh,
then.
man.
Okay. These are both the same answer. Is there another way I can see if it's the same answer? Well, let me phrase this a different way. Is this fully factored?
No.
No. Why not?
Because they're divisible by 4.
Do it again.
Because I can. Okay. Because I can take this one. I really didn't write this
not
well.
4, sorry, 9.
Something.
Not divide by. I'm going to erase this part. Because you can take out something. Is that what you said, Sarah?
Yeah.
Okay. What can I take out of 3x plus 6?
3.
3. And what am I left with?
X plus 6.
Okay. What can I take out of 9x squared minus 18x plus 36?
9.
9. And then what's left?
X squared minus 2x plus 4.
Plus 4. And then I can multiply the 3 and the 9 to get 27. Okay, so here's something I didn't have time to go over in as much detail as I wanted yesterday.
Is that what you have to do?
If the directions say factor, you're not done until it's fully factored.
Oh, so you can't label it.
So you can't leave it like this. But you can get this, and then you can break it down like this. Or you can always look for a GCF first,
And get that.
and get that, and do it from there. So those are your two choices on how to do that one.
So
I-
can you do it from there?
Pardon?
Can you do it from there?
Yes, because this is also a cubed plus b cubed.
Yes, I know, but can you do it?
Yeah, so then it's, I just did, but I wrote it in the wrong place, so I had to erase it. 27 times x plus 2 times x squared minus 2x plus 4.
Okay.
Either way, you get the same answer when you're done factoring. But if you get an answer like this, you've got to check for a greatest common factor. Is that a nice trick question?
Yeah.
Okay, the hint is always look for the greatest common factor, either at the beginning or the end.
I love trick questions.
I love them too.
I have a question.
Yes,
I just,
Or did you get negative to that?
it's always that minus AB term that gets to you. Okay? In this one, Amanda, we have A equals X and B equals 2, right?
Yeah.
Okay? So the answer...
Oh, 2 times x is... Okay.
Yep, A plus B, A
Got it.
squared minus AB
I got it.
plus B squared. Does everything line up for you there?
Sure.
Okay. I'm going to leave that up there for a second. And I want to do...
That sounds...
oh, can I get that?
Pardon?
Can I get my
The B
So
squared
picky.
sounds squared.
I would ask everyone else to hand it back to you, but Mimi would do something cruel to
Did you
it.
already...
Why are you
Yes,
putting
Laura.
me out here?
Hold on, I just got
Yes.
salt in there.
What
Did you
are
already
you?
square the 4? From
Yes,
the 2?
this 4
Oh,
comes
B-
from squaring
B
the 2.
equals 2, so okay.
Yeah. Okay, now I want to take a look at number 40. Some people put prime, said they couldn't do it.
That's not true.
You can't really, I mean, you can kind of see this.
This is exactly like, well, not exactly. This is almost exactly like one we did yesterday. 40 is 2x cubed plus 54, right?
Gee.
Didn't we do 2x squared minus 54 in
Yeah.
class
Yeah.
yesterday? And we said you can pull out the 2 and you have x cubed plus 27 in this case left.
Yep.
And now x cubed and 27 are perfect cubes, so it's 2.
Oh,
X
God.
plus 3,
Uh-huh.
parentheses, x squared minus 3x plus 9.
Yep. And once again, this quadratic will always be one you can't factor further unless it's got a common factor like up here.
You also had in class number 34, x cubed plus 64.
Yeah,
you
you
had to
did.
do that one in class.
I did that exact one in class.
Yep.
You know, there's just not a lot of cubes that I know. I mean, if you start reaching for cubes under 1,000, you're going to get a lot of these. Is 1,000 a perfect cube?
Yes.
What is it?
10 times 10 times 10.
Very good, Sarah. 1,000 is 10 times 10 times 10. So x cubed plus 1,000 would be one you'd be able to cube. All right, new stuff. You guys ready?
No.
By ready, I mean we're moving on anyway to this board, Jordan.
When teachers ask you questions, they're not really asking questions.
I got really mad at a kid once, and I was actually doing what no teacher's supposed to do, which is asking insulting rhetorical questions. But I caught myself in the middle. I don't think it was quite this bad, but it was along the lines of, and I should not ever do anything like this. It's along the lines of like, "Are you really that stupid?" But before the kid could say anything, I said something like that. I was like, "Are you really that stupid?" And I was like, "Don't answer that. It's a rhetorical question designed only to embarrass and humiliate you." I was just like, I
You know
felt
that's on
bad.
video.
I know, but I'm apologizing to whoever. If that student ever sees this YouTube, I apologize.
Is he the kind who would look up Matt lectures on YouTube?
If he was, do you think I would have been yelling at him like that? All right, today is more.
Thank you.
You're on film.
More fun with factoring
Oh, yeah.
polynomials.
Why do we all have more fun with it?
You know, it's just amazing how much more fun we can keep having with math.
Having fun in the first place. What are you getting bored of?
I'm having fun. You guys are just along for the ride.
We're not having fun with your
Okay,
factor.
first factoring pattern. There's a lot of these, but the next one you got to learn is factoring by grouping.